Okay, on today's episode of Bruce Fixer Stuff, we're going to do a nice quick one where the legs mount underneath the TV up here, and up there where these silver plates are, the screws go into the holes. So what I'm going to do is mount the sound bar into there. So what I need to do is make a bracket that would go around, just using some simple strapping. And I'm going to be screwing that up into the holes for the legs, one on each side, just loose enough that it can slide through, and then slide it into place. I'm going to paint them black though, so they look a little bit, less out of place. So the strapping comes on a roll like this, and I just cut it to match the right length. This one I measured by twisting it around the actual bracket, and it's like, okay, good, that's a good length. So now I'm just going to match the same length with the roll, cut another piece, bend it, see what I've got for some quick drying black paint, and we'll continue from there. Now I've got some rattle can, spray can paint, flat black, because it dries quick. Goes on easy. I don't have to get my gun out and clean the gun afterwards. I can just spray this stuff on. Call it done. Just a couple of quick coats of black. Just want to make it not stand out as much as the metal color would. I'm doing the inside just to make sure everything's hidden and stuff like that. So I'm gonna let that dry for a couple minutes, give it another coat or two, and then once it's dry, I'll put it on. And that's one bracket in, and this is the other one. Because I've got this kind of strap, I can put the screwdriver right through it like that and thread this up in. Want it like that. Sorry about the fingers in the way. Want it about like so. And then I should be able to slide it into one and then into the other and call it done. And now we're going to see how well that works. So we slide this in like this. And it should go in just fine. Because there's only one screw holding on each side, we should be okay, except now I got the cord in the way, so I'll have to do the other side first. I'll have to slide this end in first. Come on, why is it giving me a hard time? Just a touch more. There we go. And then that goes back in here. Slides back until we're about even. I guess that's about even right there. There we go. Now that should work just fine. Yeah, that looks good.